If you have one of these bikes, or one of the 4 different kinds of this bike, it comes with the EU regulation in emission, and that really makes it goes super lean, between 3,500 to 5,500 RPM, and that's super lean. And it's also part of the stalling problem, using the DeCat and using the DNA filter, the DNA 2 filter. It sits on this side actually, and the DNA 1 and 2 filters are 2 different. So the 1 is replacing the OEM filter in the inside, and the 2 is kind of opening up the box. With the right tuning, you have 10% more if you do the DeCat, and you have another 10% if you do the air filter. And remember, we're talking about the power between 3,500 and 5,500 RPM. That's where you're riding, that's where you're going. You're not riding full throttle, so the max horsepower is still the same. So you're not killing the engine, you're just giving it a little bit more fuel in the right places. What you do is you will not qualify for Euro 5 plus emission standards, and those standards is actually the reason why you have to do all of this to get the full potential from the bike. But you can get a good 20% extra with the right setup. And I'm looking forward, my friend Dragos from Romania, he will come with an Acra exhaust on his bike, and we'll put his bike in the bench and give you all the different figures. Then it would be the DeCat, the air filter and the exhaust, and we'll see what's happening.